So let's start out by copy pasting the register login form and put it in the register page here. And then go in and create a new field, which we will then bind up to one of the input fields later on. Just to be sure we get all of the fields with us, we will just go into the migration form and find all of the fields we need to put in the register form. So we will add username, name, country, and then just change the values inside our areas here. Go and change the field names as well. This one's username, and then remove one of the fields in here. And then we will just set up the email address field as well, and just change some of the context in the placeholder. Let's just going to change this to ACE and the name of the in the script, and then what PHP artisan serve and npm watch. Let's go ahead and add a width to the field form so it would look a bit bigger, and that's how it's going to look like in the login. Let's also get in add a width there later, and then also make sure that the links just work perfectly fine, and that you can type something in them, which we can. So now if you go into here, we will be able to basically just create a title. This just how we're creating each one element. Alright, so in the documentation we can go into the card component, and then there we can find the tags for creating the title in the card component. So if we just go in and expand, you will be able to find what the users the code there. So let's copy and paste that. Then let's add it into the code and just align it a bit more. Just change the title to register, and add it into the login form as well. We don't need the button, so let's remove that. So let's just test the form, and thank you for watching this video. So next video we're gonna set up some VueJS, and before we end this video, let's also just change the bottom name in the bottom at the end. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.